Hi, I'm Miracle, known as Tech Brother. And if you're trying to get into tech or studying computer science, let me tell you something that changed my entire journey. Don't study computer science.
What do you mean?
Yes, you heard that right. Don't study computer science without learning a real skill, because the degree alone won't build your career. It's your skill that sets you apart. Tech is broad, tech is deep, but choosing where to start, that's where most people get confused. So let me break it down for you. These are the main paths in tech. Understand each one, then choose what fits you best. Firstly, the builders, also known as the creators. These are the people who code and bring ideas to life. That's where we have. Number 1. Web developers. You build websites and web apps. You start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then move to React, Node.js, databases. You create everything from blogs to e-commerce stores, front-end, back-end, or full stack. Your work powers the web. Number 2. Mobile app developers. You build apps for phones and tablets. You use tools like Flutter, React Native, Kotlin, Swift. You design apps that run smoothly on Android and iOS. Think TikTok, WhatsApp, that could be your creation. Number 3. Game developers. You build games using Unity, Unreal Engine, C++, or C#. You create everything from gameplay logic to 3D environments. Whether it's a mobile puzzle or a console adventure, you make it fun. It's coding plus creativity at its peak. Number 4. VR developers. You build virtual experiences, games, training simulators, educational tools. You work with 3D tools, Unity, and VR hardware. You create things people can see and interact with in virtual space. Number 5. Blockchain development. You work on crypto, smart contracts, NFTs, and Web3 apps. You build decentralized systems that run without middlemen. It's a new part of tech, and it's growing fast. Secondly, the designers and communicators, also known as the experience makers. These are the creatives who shape how tech looks, feels, and connects with people. That's where we have. Number 1. The UI or UX designers. You focus on how apps look and feel. You create user-friendly designs with tools like Figma, Adobe XD. You build wireframes, prototypes, and layouts. You don't write code, but your designs guide developers. Number 2. Technical writing. You explain how tech works in simple, clear words. You write documentation, tutorials, developer guides. You make tech easier to understand, perfect for developers who love writing too. Number 3. Product management. You don't write code, but you lead the team. You understand the tech, talk to users, and plan features. You manage timelines, priorities, and delivery. You're the one turning ideas into real products. Thirdly, the thinkers and analysts, also known as the problem solvers. These ones make decisions driven by data, automation, and intelligence. That's where we have. Number 1. Data science and data analysis. You work with data to find patterns and insights. You use Python, SQL, Excel, and machine learning tools. You help companies make smart decisions with real numbers. From business trends to AI, you turn data into direction. Number 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. You teach machines to learn and make decisions. You work with data, train models, and build smart systems. From chatbots to face recognition, you create intelligent tech. It's complex, but powerful. Number 3. QA testing and automation. You test software to make sure it works properly. Manual testing, writing test scripts, using tools like Selenium or Postman. You find bugs before users do. You make sure quality is never compromised. Fourthly, the protectors, also known as the security experts. These people guard, scale, and automate the systems that power tech. That's where we have. Number 1. Cybersecurity. You protect systems from hackers and threats. You learn ethical hacking, firewalls, encryption, network security. You defend websites, apps, and companies from digital attacks. In a world full of data, you're the digital bodyguard. Number 2. Cloud and DevOps engineers. You manage servers, apps, and deployment. You use AWS, Azure, Docker, Linux, CI/CD tools. You automate processes, handle backups, and monitor performance. You make sure the tech runs smoothly behind the scenes. Don't try to learn everything at once. Yes, it's good to explore, but if you want to grow fast, pick a path. Specialize. That's how you stand out. The tech world is big. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. I'm Tech Brother, real name Miracle Ania. If this gave you clarity, follow me. I'll keep breaking it down. Simple, real, and step by step. Not just as techies, but as builders of the future. Let's grow together.